Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best tonneau covers for Ford F150 available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the Gator EFX Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Gator EFX is a stylish addition to the best tonneau cover lineup. Heavy-duty aluminum panels are used to construct it. It comes with rubber seals and a drain tube in a modern flush mount design. The feature is extremely effective at keeping water out of the gear and keeping it dry, safe, and secure. The clamp-on-rail system on this hard folding cover eliminates the need for tools during installation. As a result, it is a product that is simple to install. It's as simple as that to remove the item. It takes less than an hour to set up and use, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. The cover has easy access to the bed. When hauling large loads, you can drive with the cover open or closed. It won't be a problem for you. This cover also has aircraft-grade aluminum folding that can hold up to 300 pounds of cargo evenly distributed. It has an elegant aerodynamic look thanks to its ultra-low profile design and stylish gloss black finish. Moving up at number 2 is the BAKFlip G2 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. BAKFlip always creates long-lasting products. The BAKFlip G2 Hard Tonneau Cover is a multi-purpose truck bed cover that allows full access to the bed. With high-quality material, it provides optimal theft protection. The high-quality perimeter seals are outfitted with the BAKFlip G2 tonneau cover. Its outside surface acts as a far more effective shield against the elements. It works well and is a good veil for terrible weather. The cover provides excellent access to your whole truck bed without blocking the third brake light. It's a simple cover to fold. So, anytime it's time to fold it, simply fold it and flip it back against the cabin. Folding the cover will not cause any issues. Its adaptability allows you to load as much cargo as you wish. It's made of tough, high-profile solid-core aluminum panels that give it a fashionable look while maintaining structural integrity. At number 3 on our list is the DNA Motoring TTC Hard 015 Tonneau Cover. The TTC Hard 015 tonneau covers from DNA Motoring are one of the top tonneau covers on the market. It's simple to put together because it comes with suitable clamps. The cover has organized storage that will help you load whatever you want in your truck bed. It will protect the gear without slowing you down. The DNA Motoring tonneau cover is ideal if you want unrestricted access to your full bed or just one panel. It is a really useful cover you can get. The TTC Hard 15 is an excellent coverage for rough weather. Like severe sunlight, snow, raucous rain and storms, or whatever the climate is, the cover will do its duty wonderfully. And it covers your truck properly to keep your product safe from the gaze of possible criminals. The covers also have a versatile, easy-to-open design. It offers your truck fantastic protection. At number 4 is the Xcover Low Profile Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Those who are acquainted with the market of tonneau cover have heard the name of Xcover. It's a company that produces tonneau covers of exceptional quality. The company has 20 years of experience in creating tonneau coverings, and it always creates the results of durability and stability. The Xcover Hard Folding Tonneau Covers come with a low-profile attractive design. The lid has a patented pending rail and latching design. The latch provides a one-finger waver to open and a drop-down lock when you close the cover. That means it locks automatically. And it opens effortlessly as well. Just way we open our laptops in one click. No matter what the environment is, the Xcover Low Profile Hard Folding Tonneau Cover is built to work under tough scenarios. Whether it's raining, snowy, sunny, or cloudy, your items will be safe from moisture and grime. The cover is noted for being UV and cold resistant. The hard panel of the cover is scratch resistant. And it can provide optimal theft protection. The 5th product on our list is the Lyon Cover Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. With 3 years of warranty, the Lyon cover is a terrific choice you can choose. The cover is made of great material. It is made with fiberglass that keeps cooler than aluminum in the heat. Not only that, the skin of it may provide better resistance from scratch, wetness, or any difficult elements of climates. Also, it provides a great aesthetic to the truck. And the substance, the fiberglass reinforced polymer, is a superior material than aluminum. This cover features a polypropylene honeycomb core. The technology generates a sturdy weight-enduring structure. The Lyon tonneau cover has a 350 IPS load-bearing capacity. Compared to others, this is an improved feature. This item beats its competition completely in it. In addition, its thin skin design provides more space than the other variants. So, choosing this one for your truck will be a fantastic idea. The Lyon cover also incorporates a hinge system. It works as water resistant. Also, it is rainproof, dirt-proof, and snowproof. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.